Jonathan from Cinema Bravo. Congratulations nga pala yung trailer nyo. It's almost 3 million views already.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So, I have a very simple question. If Gio and Joanne exist in real life, are you both willing to switch lives with them?
Take their life?
Like switch?
No.
I think I like my life right now. And I wouldn't trade Nadine for Joanne.
Sweet. We are live right now, and what can you say about your bashers?
Bashers?
Yeah. And like, what can you say about your bashers and then your supporters who are really fighting for you as well?
Nakikita yung kamay mo.
I never say anything to my bashers because it's really inevitable. You can be the sweetest peach in the world and someone is going to hate peaches. So I don't mind if it doesn't bother me. And to my fans, thank you for defending us, but yeah, hate makes more hate, so the only way to stop it all is just to spread love.
Thank you. Okay na? Sino ba sasagot na? Meron pa? Big Ten? Oh, no more. Okay. Thank you. On that note, maraming salamat po. We have to end the Q&A portion kasi talagang meron pang lalakarin itong dalawang to at maaga pa sila tomorrow. So, for now, Victoria muna. And then, yeah. And then, after that, exclusive po TV interview. Wala na tayong free and vlogger na one-on-one. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta.
Yes, thank you so much everybody. And after the pictorial mo, exclusive for TV interview na po tayo. Thank you. And once again, we would like to say thank you to our sponsor, Paul and Hap. Maraming salamat. Remember that Happy is a project, is a Project 8 Corners and a production for Viva Creoles, written and directed by Antoinette Hidalgo. And of course, don't forget, it will be on next Saturday, March 31st.
James and Danny. Okay na po. Balik naman. Yes,